Hi everybody, today we're doing a review of the JJN bifacial 200 watt solar panel. I picked this particular panel for the following reason. I was trying to get something to match up well to a Bluetti EB3 power station. Now this power station is able to take up to a 200 watt input on its MPPT built-in solar charge controller. But in order to get 200 watts, you have to have the voltage at a reasonable level. Otherwise, it just the limitation of current will prevent it from generating sufficient power. So the specifications on this 200 watt panel gives a somewhat higher open circuit voltage and a higher maximum power voltage compared to other 200 watt panels. And I wanted to get a 200 watt panel so I didn't have to constantly connect two 100 watt panels to generate the same amount. And a 200 watt panel like this weighs only around 26 pounds, which is half the weight of these 300 watt panels that I have, and is much less cumbersome to carry around. So so the specifications on this show a 28.1 volt open circuit voltage, which is 0.1 volt higher than what the maximum allowed on this, but this power station seems to be able to handle that without any trouble, and has an optimum operating current of 8.55 amps and an optimum operating voltage of 23.4 volts, which is much higher than many of the other similar